welcome back to another video. Today we'll be cleaning my car, vacuuming, stuff like that. And yeah, I have reported myself like in 3 months, so I'm gonna go my bad for that one. But yeah, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so my car is parked over here in the backyard. My neighbor let me a chance of parking because the garbage mans are coming to get garbage and stuff, so I need to park it here last night. Over here, dogs over there. Alright, let's give this a nice start. Yeah. First thing I do is move this out the way. It's been a while since I recorded. Yeah, it's been a while. It's 50 degrees outside. The sun is up for once, you know. Oh, copyright music. Anyways, yeah, it's been a while since you guys seen blue skies here around Washington. Yeah, we're gonna let this thing warm up a bit so we can take it down there because my car is dirty. Well, you guys can't see, but it's dirty here. It's dirty back here. We need to be vacuumed. So yeah, we're gonna get this cleaning process started because it's been a while since I think it's been like a month already since I last cleaned it. But yeah, we're gonna clean this, make it look nice, and give this car probably a wash as well because it's kind of dirty-ish. And yeah, my bad if I haven't made a report for the past 3 months. Took a 3-month vacation, I believe. I don't see you saw my video last video, it was some music one. But yeah, not much vlog count going on right now, but yeah, soon vlogs will be pretty sure coming be back. And yeah, it's gonna be crazy this year. And yeah, 2020 2021 so far doing good right now. But yeah, let's get this cleaning process started. Alright, now since I'm getting the vacuum set up, my car's already doors open, I gotta put some things here and there. Ooh. Alright, let me put the camera. As you guys saw, this thing just literally just came out from I don't know under here, and well, I have to go to the junkyard now just to find this piece because this part is broken, so I gotta go find one. And then this part, well, I have to see there's a plastic, and then I can figure out where this thing goes. But yeah, apart from that, put all this back together, and then in the junkyard find what it is. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit later. I'm gonna go eat lunch and then real quick finish up on the driver's seat. But yeah, let's continue this video. Alright, so that'll be it for today's video. I know it might be a little short, but it ain't much. But as far, I clean all the formats and everything inside. I'm gonna take this to the car wash down at Square Avenue, and then yeah, touch this car wash. So yeah, apart from that, yeah, you guys see there's mods, different things that wasn't there before and stuff. Yeah, I gotta do a lot of cleaning later. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.
pocket pussy.